So you're tired of big banks and their, well, everything? Ever feel like your money is just sitting there, collecting dust instead of interest? Maybe you're tired of monthly maintenance fees that seem to magically appear every month, eating away at your hard-earned cash. Or perhaps you just crave a more modern banking experience, one that fits seamlessly into your digital life. If any of that sounds familiar, then you might be ready to consider Sofi Bank. Now, before you switch over your entire financial life based on a random YouTube video, disclaimer, always do your own research. Let's take a deep dive into what Sofi Bank is all about, and more importantly, how to open an account and start reaping the benefits. Sofi isn't your traditional brick-and-mortar bank. It's a completely online platform offering a suite of financial products that go beyond just checking and savings accounts. We're talking investing, student loan refinancing, even personal loans. But today, we're focusing on how to snag yourself a Sofi checking and savings account. Let's be honest, opening a new bank account can feel like navigating a financial jungle gym. A million questions pop up. Is it safe? Are there hidden fees? What documents do I need? Well, fret not, intrepid explorer. Opening a Sofi account is a breeze, and we'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, eligibility. Sofi keeps things pretty straightforward. To open a Sofi checking and savings account, you gotta be 18 years or older, with a valid social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, and a U.S. address. Sorry, international friends, maybe next time. Alright, eligibility check complete. Now, let's get down to business. Head over to Sofi's website and click on the glorious button that says Open an Account. They make it pretty hard to miss. From there, you'll be presented with a few choices. Today, we're all about checking and savings, so select that option. Next, decide if you want an individual or joint account. Planning on splitting the financial responsibility with your roommate or significant other? Joint account might be the way to go. Solo flyer? Individual account is your jam. After that, it's just a matter of filling out some basic info, your name, address. Remember, that Sofi debit card needs a home, and contact details. Sofi's pretty good about security, so you might be asked to set up two-factor authentication. It's a minor inconvenience, but it adds an extra layer of protection for your hard-earned cash. Now comes the fun part, funding your new account. Sofi allows you to transfer money electronically from another bank account. Alternatively, you can link your debit card for a quick and easy transfer. Once your account is funded and verified, that's it. You're officially a Sofi member. Welcome to the club. Sofi will send you a snazzy debit card within a few days, so you can start swiping away, responsibly, of course. Now, the real question, what makes Sofi so darn appealing? Well, for starters, there are no monthly maintenance fees. That's right, you get to keep more of your money. Plus, Sofi checking boasts a competitive APY, annual percentage yield, on your checking account balance. Essentially, that means your money grows just by sitting there, a nice perk compared to traditional banks that seem to do everything they can to keep your interest rates low. Sofi checking also allows for mobile check deposit. Snap a picture of your check with your phone, and bam! Funds deposited. No more hunting down an ATM or waiting in line at the bank. Sofi integrates seamlessly with other financial products they offer. Want to invest some spare cash? No need to jump through hoops. Everything is conveniently located within the same platform. Of course, Sofi isn't perfect. Since it's an online-only bank, there are no physical branches to visit if you prefer face-to-face interaction. Additionally, some features you might find at traditional banks, like cashier's checks or safety deposit boxes, aren't currently available with Sofi. But, if you're looking for a modern, user-friendly banking experience with competitive rates and no hidden fees, Sofi Bank is definitely worth considering. Opening an account is quick and painless, and you could be reaping the benefits in a matter of minutes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.